Hello students, welcome back to CLARI Concepts and Listening Conceptual Learning. Today we are going to solve numerical examples of the topic called buoyancy. So those of you who have not yet gone through my lecture on buoyancy, where I have made you understand about the physical concept of why buoyant force acts and what is the amount of buoyant force that acts on a body, kindly go through that lecture first and then come back to this lecture on numerical examples. You will really enjoy this numerical. These are all really interesting numerical examples that I brought for you. Let us start. Example number 1. A 170 kg granite rock, density is given to you, is dropped into a lake. Okay. A man dives in and tries to lift the rock. Determine how much force the man needs to apply to lift it from the bottom of the lake. Now see, what it is given to you? It is given to you that there is a lake and the big rock of mass 170 kg. So I should say that mass of the rock is 170 kg. Let me put mr, and then density of the rock, let's say rho r is 2700 kg per meter cube. This is given data. Now when it is dropped in the lake, a man goes into a lake and tries to lift it up. Question is how much force a man has to apply on this rock to lift it up. So let us say right now the weight of the rock is acting downward. Because it is in the fluid, the buoyancy force will act upward. Now let us say the force applied by a man, let's say it is Fm. This will also be upward. So the force should be such that even the buoyancy force assists the force, it should balance the weight, right? So if you say at least the force should be, if I do the equilibrium equations, I should say that force of man plus force of buoyancy should be equal to the weight of the